Hi everyone, this is Cynthia DeMille, Global Stylist at Rare Beauty, and I'm so excited to share with you the Magnetic Spirit Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette consists of 6 ultra creamy, vibrant, and buildable eyeshadows. Today I'm going to be using the colors Ablaze, Power, and Grounded. I'm going to take my Liquid Touch Concealer brush and the color Grounded, and I'm going to press this in my crease area. I'm now pressing the color Power onto my lids with my finger. I love how creamy and buildable these eyeshadows are. Now I'm taking the same brush I used earlier and I'm going to blend both colors together in my crease. Next I'm taking the color Ablaze, which is this beautiful duochrome pink. Pressing it in the inner corner of my eye to add a pop of color. Then what I love to do is take my Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer, and I love to use this to really help my eyeshadow pop by brightening underneath my eyes, and I also use it to help shape my eyeshadow. Then add your favorite mascara to complete your look. And this is my look using the Magnetic Spirit Eyeshadow Palette, and I can't wait to see what looks you create.